The Aveda Rituals of Renewal are complimentary stress-relieving experiences that we offer to every guest who visits an Aveda Experience Center, salon, spa, or institute. These rituals of renewal are integral to our heritage as a company. They were created from our commitment to offer a high-touch experience and a sense of well-being to our guests. As part of our mission to care for the world we live in, Rituals of Renewal offer us the opportunity to connect with each guest in a deeper, more meaningful way. Rituals expose guests to our high-performing, pure plant and flower aromas and products in a way that engages their senses at the highest level. Many people experience stress in some way, and the power of touch can assist with a feeling of relaxation and well-being. There are many ways to introduce guests to Aveda's Rituals of Renewal. In the Experience Center, you can say something like, "While you're here, I'd like to treat you to a ritual of renewal." These are complimentary, stress-relieving experiences that will make you feel great. You will also receive these when you visit an Aveda salon or spa for a service. In an institute, salon, or spa, you could introduce the rituals to your guests by saying something like, "Your service today includes Rituals of Renewal. These are complimentary, stress-relieving experiences that will help you feel relaxed." Performing Rituals of Renewal is also good for your business. We have heard from people over and over again how much they enjoy Rituals of Renewal during their service. Your guests will remember you and their experience at Aveda and will want to come back.